Hello dear friends, it is Irfan from MyTech, and in this video I am going to tell you how to make a bootable USB device for installation of Ubuntu 18.04 on your computers. So you may know that you either need a CD or a USB device that is bootable to make installation on your computer for the Ubuntu. So for that purpose we need three things. Number one is the software itself, Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Number two is the USB that you are going to make bootable, and third one is the software that will make your USB bootable. So going to the first step, what you have to do is download Ubuntu latest package, Ubuntu download. And in the Google search options, the first one is download Ubuntu desktop. So click that link and this will bring the Ubuntu home website, and it is very easy. You can see the download Ubuntu desktop and Ubuntu 18.04.4 LTS. LTS means that long-term support, and it is supported until April 2023. What are the system requirements? 2 GHz dual core processor or better, 4 GB RAM, 25 GB free hard drive. So either a DVD drive or a USB port for the installed media. So in this video we are going to use the USB port. So right away on the right side, this is download. You have to start the download, and it may ask you the location where you want to download, or it may automatically start downloading as per your system setting. So it's a big file, 2 GB file, so it will take some time, maybe about 40 minutes or 50 minutes. So wait till it is downloaded on your system, and let's wait for that, and after that I'll tell you how to proceed. So guys, I have downloaded that software. This is Ubuntu 18.04.4 desktop AMD 64. The second thing that I told you earlier, that you must have a USB device, and in my case, let's see, I have inserted USB device and I have USB 16 GB hard drive, USB drive is available with me. So I will make that bootable, and third requirement was you must have some software to make your USB bootable. For that purpose you must go to your web browser and type rufus rufus.ie, and that will show you the website, and this will create bootable USB drives the easy way. So this is a software that will make bootable USB drives for you. So right away go to downloads and download the latest version, which is Rufus 3.9. It's 1.1 MB application file, and you will see that when you click it, it will start downloading. I have already downloaded it. So here it is shown on my desktop. You will double click it and it asks for the allow, so allow it, and you will see a window, and in this window there are drive properties that you are going to make bootable. So device USB 16 GB, I 16 GB. I showed you on my computer panel that I have inserted 16 GB USB. So by the way, you must have at least 4 GB USB drive to make all these things that I am telling you, not less than that. So at least 4 GB USB drive you must have that. So then boot selection, you have downloaded the ISO image of your Ubuntu software. So okay, disk or ISO image, so it is selected. So select that image, go to select and go to desktop, and see this is the ISO image, Ubuntu 18.04.4, and open it. It's open now. So leave everything as it is. There is no need to change anything else. So this MBR BIOS or UEFI format options, volume label, this is the name. You can change it. You can just write, just take it as, for example, you can delete it. And Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. This is the name of the USB that is going to be bootable now. File system FAT232. Okay, 8192 bytes default. This is cluster size. Everything is okay now. Go to ready. It is ready, so go to start. When you say start, it tells me that there are some additional files that are missing in my case. So he asked me to connect to internet and download. I said okay, and it is downloaded in a second. So when it is done, the new window opens and write in ISO image mode. This is recommended. Okay, and this will now giving a warning that all the data on this device will be destroyed. So okay, no problem. If you have some data and you have some important data on that USB device, you must have backup that before doing all this business. So okay, now it has started making the USB device bootable. So it will take some time, maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. So when it's done, I'll again come back. So friends, you can see on the screen that it's done and it is ready to be closed, and you can see that it took 6 minutes and 10 seconds to complete that process. So I'm ready to go for Ubuntu installation. So close that, and as a final check, let me show you where it is installed. It is this Ubuntu disk 18.0 as we did it, renamed it, and 12.9 gigabytes of 14.8 gigabytes is still empty, but you can double click and see all the installation files are there. Just plug in to the computer where you want to install this Linux system, and what you have to do is first go to BIOS and select boot from USB, and the process will start and you will be directed to do the necessary steps in the process. So friends, if you like this video and if it is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and hit the bell icon so that you can get the updates about my videos. So thank you very much. Have a good day.